How to send money from LandBank to Maya. Log into the app. Open the LandBank mobile banking app. Enter your username and password. Go to Transfer Funds. Tap on a fund transfer from the main menu. Then tap Fund Transfer. Select the destination bank, enter or type Pay Maya in the search bar. Choose Pay Maya Philippines Incorporated as the receiving bank. Enter the details. Input the Maya mobile number of the recipient, receiver name, mobile number, and email. The email is optional, you can leave it blank. Tap Proceed. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Tap Transfer Channel. Choose InstaPay. Add a note or reference if needed. Tap Transfer Now. Confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details carefully, then check the box and tap Confirm. Confirm by entering your OTP, one-time password, if sent to your registered mobile number, then tap Submit. Then tap Proceed. Complete the transfer. That's it. Hope it helps.